Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own custom image stamp in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're crafting official business stamps, unique approved marks, or just something creative for your workflow in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design and apply personalized stamps to any PDF document. A real game changer if you want to streamline your review process or add a professional touch to digital documents. Let's jump straight in. First up, we need to prepare your image. Now, this part can be as simple or as creative as you want. You might design your stamp in Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, or even PowerPoint. Really, any program that lets you export your work as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG will work. Here's a tip. Make sure your image is crisp and clear, since it'll be pasted onto other documents. If you're working from a file with multiple pages, remember, only the first page is used for your stamp, so pick the one you want carefully. It's a small detail, but it'll save you some headaches later if you end up with the wrong image showing up in your PDF stamp collection. Once your image is ready and saved, we're going to open up Adobe Acrobat. Just double-click any PDF you have lying around. It doesn't matter which. We're just using it as a launching point for the stamp tool. At the top, you'll see the Tools tab. Click that. In most newer versions of Acrobat, you'll find an Add a Stamp option right there. If you're working with an older interface, instead look for Comments and then Stamp Tool. This starts the process for creating your custom stamp. With the Stamp Tool panel open, look over to the left and select Stamp. You should see an option for Custom Stamps, and under that, click Create. This tells Acrobat that you want to bring in your own image, rather than use one of their pre-existing stamps. It might seem like a lot of steps, but really once you get the hang of it, it's surprisingly smooth. Now, a dialog box will pop up asking you to browse for your image file. Take your time here if you have a lot of files. Just navigate to where you saved your stamp design, select it, and click Open. Acrobat will ingest that file. You might need to wait a few moments if the file is large, but most custom stamps process quickly. Next, you'll assign your new stamp to a category. Acrobat gives you a few preset options, like Standard Business or Sign Here, but this is your chance to create something meaningful for your workflow. Maybe you want to organize your stamps by department, time of year, or project type. You can type in a brand new category name, making it easier to find your custom stamps down the line. Now, give your stamp a clear, descriptive name, something you'll recognize immediately when it's time to use it. Once you're happy with the settings, click OK, and congratulations, your stamp is officially created. To use it, just return to the Stamp menu, find the category you saved it under, and then select your new stamp. Click anywhere in your PDF to place it. You can resize and move it if it's not exactly where you want. Just experiment and see what looks best. And that's it. Now you know how to make custom stamps in Acrobat, ready to streamline your digital paperwork. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.